Hello my crafting friends, this is Yolanda from craftysentiments.com, and it's that time of month again. It's paper pumpkin time, and I'm really excited. I think I got it early this time. I remember last month I think I got it, one of the last ones to get it. So who knows how long it takes, just a couple of days, a few days. So this month's, the October 2018, is Friends of a Feather. So let's open it together and see what we have inside. You see, I haven't even opened it yet. Oops. Let me try this again. There we go. And the first thing that we have inside is, wait till you see what's inside, okay? This is advertising for this November paper pumpkin kit, which comes out, you have it from now until November 10th to order it, to subscribe to it. I'll leave a link below how you can go ahead and do that. As you see, it's a specially designed box and with a Christmas theme. So, a reminder for that, I'll set that over there. Our Stampin' spot this month is Night of Navy. I'll set that aside. And, oh, feathers. I'm not sure if you can see that. I don't know if there's a glare. Hopefully it's not. So you can see there's a few feathers. There's like a little small border. There are some sentiments that say, get well, friends of a feather stick together, thinking of you, may hope makes you feel lighter. Okay. I don't think I've ever heard of that phrase before. But your stamps are traditional blue paper that it comes wrapped in. I'll set this aside. Hopefully it doesn't fall on the floor. And this month's kit is Friends of a Feather, and we make 8 cards. Oh, these are kind of cute. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully it's not too much of a glare for you. There you go. So let's open it up and see what all we have inside. It looks like a lot. Let's open this up. Oh, there's some die cuts trying to get away. Oh. You know, when you're in a rush, I just need to take my time. There we go. And we have stuff all over the place. And we'll put that aside. So you see we have a runaway feather. But let's get into this part. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 envelopes. Actually, you can kind of decorate, and then right in the center is where you can put the address. Oh, and the inside is like there's lining inside, so there's a color. So we have 4 of those. And then we have 4 cards that have a scalloped edge. And that's pretty. So you can kind of see the scallop through there. So there are 4 of those. And 4 of the, oh wow. This is a laser cut. Let me so you can see it. And I'll fold that over. I'm not sure if that's how it goes. But look at that pretty purpley eggplant-y color. Well, I guess it's not eggplant because we don't have elegant eggplant. I'll go over the things. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. The laser cut cards. So we have 1, 3. Oh, how many do we have? Oh, this is 1. 1, 2, 3. We have 4 of those. And we have 4 of the envelopes that match those cards. Then we have some laser die cuts that are feathers and like little leaves. So we have this 1, 2 of those, and we have 1 set of like labels. Oh wow. And my die cuts have escaped. So as you can see, they're in 3 different colors. Cute, cute, cute. And I'll go over the colors with you in just a moment, what the coordinating colors are. They gave us a little sneak peek of the colors before. They told us, but I forgot what they were. Here are some larger feathers and larger leaves. And also some ovals. Everything is die cut for you. There's an ovals. And here we have some small labels and some that are already decorated. Little tags, tag toppers. And our trusty cardboard. Don't get rid of that because you will always need cardboard for something. And let's see what's inside of the little package. So we have some glue dots. We have some dimensionals. We have some linen, some thread that's like coppery. Oh, it's such a pretty color. Let me see what that is. This one, oh, this is pretty too. I'll tell you exactly what that is. Oh, and some sequins. So the coordinating colors on the back of the instructions, they'll tell you everything that's included in the kit. So they call that, this is 2 yards of metallic twine. That's what this is. And this is 1 yard of vanilla gold weave ribbon. Can you see the gold specks in there? Really, really pretty. So the coordinating colors are Cajun Craze, Coastal Cabana, Crumb Cake, Fresh Fig, Grapefruit Grove, and Night of Navy. So, yeah. Nice, nice, nice. So, here are pictures of the cards of what they should look like. You can make them however you want. Inside are step-by-step instructions, 6 steps. And it looks like they're putting both cards together, but I'll do one at a time. So let me move some of this stuff out of the way and get the pieces together, and I'll put a card together for you. Okay, I am back and I have most of the pieces together. I did a little bit of prepping, so hopefully it won't take too long because, you know, fiddling with the glue dots and things like that. So let's go ahead and get started with the first card. So the first one we're going to use is the Crumb Cake with the scallop edge. So that's really, really pretty. And we're just going to go ahead and stamp. I think that's one of the first things that the instructions tell us to do. So we're going to stamp. I'm going to use my own Night of Navy. I'm going to save my stamping spot. And we're going to stamp. Let's see. May hope make you feel lighter. I've never heard of that comment before, that little phrase. And we're going to aim right in the middle. Cool. And we'll put that aside. And I think that's all I'm going to use the Night of Navy for right now. I'm going to do it with the other card, but I'm going to do that separately. So, these go by really quickly. You know, looking at the instructions, it was quite a few, but it's really not that hard. So I'm going to put dimensionals on here. And I'm actually going to put dimensionals on the back of this as well. I'm just going to put, I'll put 3. I have quite a few that I have already. So I'm going to take the card and we're going to, I put so many glue dots on here already, so hopefully I can take the papers off and it won't be so bad. Huh. I think it works this time. And we're going to layer the flowers up. Excuse me, the feathers. So that's that one. So I think they said let's do this one first, the largest one, then large, medium, and then small. But again, these are your cards. You can make them however you want. I like to make the first couple the way the instructions say, and then I just go ahead and make the rest as I see fit. So we're going to lay that down right there. You can leave part of it up to make it look a little bit more organic. And this one, I think we're going to lay like that. And then the small little leaf set. Now, these cards really don't use a lot of material. There are tons and tons of the leaves and the feathers left over that you can go ahead and do something else with. I'm going to go ahead and do it like that. And then we're going to put a glue dot on the twine. They said use 12 inches of twine. I used 10 because the twine was so pretty. I may want to use it on some other cards, some other projects. So I put a glue dot on the back of you know what, I'm going to stick this down first. I put a glue dot on the bow of the twine, because you know I would be here forever putting some twine on the bow. I mean, tying the twine into a bow. Say that 10 times. I'm going to layer that up. I'm going to layer this up. And that's it, my friends. You can set that in the middle. And then we're going to lay this under here like that. And so what I decided to do, there's the first card. I'm going to go ahead. Oh, you know what? Sequins. Silly me. I knew I should have put them closer. There are adhesives on the sequins itself. So you don't even have to use the glue dots for that. You can use however many you would want. That stuck to me, so I'm going to set that maybe over here. I think I'll use 3. So I'm going to set that aside. And then for the envelope, I decided this is Grapefruit Grove. So I pulled out my own grapefruit grove, and I'm going to decorate it just a tad. It's going to be a tone on tone. And I took the feather that was in the stamps that we received. Oh, look at there. I'm going to have to get me another one. I'm going to fix that later with a I'm dropping everything over here. I'm going to fix that later on with some more decorative materials. So I'm going to do this 3 feathers. And there we go. That's the first card. Super cute. Really fast to go together. I thought it was going to be kind of complicated because it looked like it was a lot of steps, but it's not. So I'm going to move this aside and pull together this card, the materials for the second card. Okay, we're ready for card number 2. Again, I'm only going to do a couple of cards, and then I want to do some alternative projects. You know, actually, I could do all of the cards on here like that, as the kid says. Excuse me, because like I said, you get a ton of extra feathers and in all of the different colors. So again, we're going to start with our Night of Navy, and we're going to I have everything over here. This little label, and I think I did the one that says "Thinking of You." So that's what we're going to stamp on our little label here. There we go. And that's all of the Night of Navy. And then we're going to put these on dimensionals as well. And it will layer on here. I'm just going to use 2 dimensionals for this. I'll move my card out the base. Now, when it came, it was already... it came like this. This side was already creased and folded, and you're just going to fold the inside in, and there you have it. Also, would be nice if you took some Wink of Stella and highlighted the feathers that are on here, the laser cut feathers. Give it a little bit of sparkle. Just something else to think about. So I'm going to layer. Again, I already put glue dots on these just to make it a little bit faster, because nothing more boring than watch somebody put glue dots on something and then struggle to take them off. And this time they kind of layer on here. Where's that middle one? There we go. And this one, I can only put a couple on this one. Again, you can put them however you see fit. And then the label sentiment goes on top. And we put that on dimensionals. Thinking of You. And that's popped up on dimensionals as well. And then the last thing we'll do is some more right there. and a few more sequins. I think I'll just put a couple in there. Oh, you know what I forgot to put on here? I knew it was something else that was right in front of me. What should go on here is the ribbon. Ribbon should go on here first. That's a glue dot. And that's okay because that's going to get covered up. I put dimensionals on the rib. I mean, not dimensionals. Glue dots on the ribbon as well. And I'm going to have to put some glue on the end of that because it seemed like it frayed a little bit. It frayed kind of easily, but that's okay. So, there we go. I'm going to layer that like that. And then I'll put that back on top. And there you go. Let's move all of this out of the way. And for this card, envelope, actually you notice these are smaller. This card is smaller than the other. I'm going to use the Fresh Fig on Fresh Fig. Again, tone on tone. And I'll try not to drop it on my envelope before I'm ready for it. And I'm just going to use this over in the corner here. And in the corner over here. And I'm going to do it on the envelope lid with the flap. And that's all. Move this out of the way. And there we have the first card, excuse me, the second card. And here's the first card. As you notice, this one is bigger than the other one, but both of them really, really cute. And like I said, I have tons of these feathers left because the instructions tell you to use like one per, but you can use as many as you would like. So thanks so much for stopping by. If you'd like to receive Paper Pumpkin, subscribe to it. I'll leave a link below. Again, don't forget that coming in November is the special Christmas edition of the Paper Pumpkin Kit. So you can actually get something done for the holidays. And I'll leave a link below for that. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and share out to everyone else. Thanks so much for stopping by. This is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com, and I'll be back with another video for you real soon. Have a great day.